we are putting in ceiling insulation. That is a big milestone. You can see here, I already got the second row in. I'm finishing up the first row here. We're actually stapling that into the side of the joist to box this entire room in here. And your best friend on a project where you are putting in craft-sided insulation is going to be this little device right here. That is an electric stapler. And in this particular case, it is an Arrow electric staple. And it takes Arrow staples, of course, they sell with it. But considering that you're going to be putting in thousands of staples, several boxes worth, that is going to be your best friend when installing insulation. Another key thing to note here is you always want to wear gloves. This is fiberglass, and the fiberglass particles, they come off and they get into your skin and they just itch and they're prickly. So you want to wear gloves and a mask too, because you will be inhaling some of that stuff. And you don't want that in your lungs, of course. So we're going to continue on here. We're going to move on down the line and hopefully get to the end here. If not, we'll finish it up another day. So until then, peace out.